Hey everybody! In this video I designed and 3D printed my own pop filter for my microphone. Stick around and see how I did it and how you can make your own. Hey there everyone! I've been having a little bit of an issue lately with my audio when I'm recording these videos. I use my microphone here, but as you can hear, if I get a little close, I can start speaking with plosives, and then suddenly the mic starts peaking, just like this. Sounds pretty nasty. So a common way to fix this is a pop filter. And essentially this is a little mesh that goes right in front of the microphone, and it slows down the velocity of the air, that is your speech, as it passes into the microphone, essentially lowering the volume, getting rid of those p, t, k sounds. So you can buy this for like 15 bucks on Amazon, not a huge deal, but I decided why do that when I can design and 3D print one myself. So in this one day build, we're gonna 3D print a pop filter. So now with an idea, it was time to take some measurements and get started. I'm using a Blue Yeti microphone here, but this pop filter should work for pretty much any mic you can design a mount for. And with that done, it was time to hop into Fusion. So the design really wasn't all that complicated here. Essentially it was an extruded circle for the pop filter and then a mount that would fit the Blue Yeti. So the magic that makes this all work is the info settings in plosive slicer, which is the slicer I use for my 3D printer. Essentially what I figured out was that this gyroid fill pattern, which I apply using a cylindrical modifier, is the best to create this kind of grid that will disperse the air. I tried a couple of the other options, but gyroid seemed to be the best here. So at 25% fill density, it seems to do the job, so let's print it. While we're on the subject of printing, I made a couple upgrades to my printer setup, so I already had this custom built box, but I went ahead and added a few more things. I've upgraded to 2 kilogram rolls of recycled filament, a little more environmentally friendly, and then while attempting to do some other upgrades, I cut my finger open with an X-Acto knife, which was lovely. This thing is dangerous. But after bandaging my wounds, I installed the screen a little bit higher up to make it easier to work with, and back to the print. Alrighty, so we have the pop filter printed, and now it's time to test it. So I pulled up a list of plosive words, that's the sounds that will actually make this popping sound, and let's just see how it sounds without and then with the pop filter. Purse, bell, talk, stopped, done, played, kite, cone, queen. And now with the pop filter. Purse, bell, talk, stopped, done, played, kite, cone, queen. Alright. So listening back to those, it actually does make a difference. Who would have thought just a little bit of 3D printed plastic would do the same job? But hey, I'll take it. So now we'll just assemble the mount and finish it up. And assembly is really pretty easy. The mount itself just slips over these 2 little thumb screws and then is secured in place. Not really going anywhere. And then the pop filter just is a pressed pin fit. So we'll just slip it into this hole and pop it in. There we go. And just like that, we have a finished product. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. It's surprisingly good quality for just being 3D printed, and so far it's been working pretty well. If you want one of your own, it is available on my printables.com account, linked down in the description. And with that, I hope you enjoy the slightly higher quality videos from now on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.